Welcome to our lesson on data science and big data. In this session, we will explore the key concepts and their significance in today's data-driven world. Data science is an interdisciplinary field that combines statistics, computer science, and domain expertise. Its goal is to analyze data and extract meaningful insights that drive decision-making. Big data is characterized by its volume and variety. It includes massive amounts of structured and unstructured data generated from diverse sources, presenting unique challenges for analysis. Big data is defined by three key characteristics: velocity, veracity, and value. These aspects highlight the importance of processing speed, data accuracy, and the need to extract meaningful insights. The data science process involves several stages, including data collection, cleaning, analysis, and visualization. Each step is crucial for deriving actionable insights from data. Data collection techniques include surveys and web scraping. Surveys gather direct insights from users, while web scraping extracts valuable unstructured data from websites. This quote by W. Edwards Deming emphasizes the importance of data in decision-making. It reminds us that insights derived from data are crucial for informed choices. Data cleaning is essential for ensuring data quality. It involves removing duplicates and handling missing values to maintain accuracy in analysis. Analysis techniques like statistical analysis and machine learning are vital. They help identify trends and predict outcomes, enabling data-driven decision-making. Data visualization is crucial for presenting insights effectively. Graphs, charts, and dashboards help make complex information more understandable and facilitate quick decision-making. Data science has real-world applications in various fields, including healthcare and finance. It enhances patient outcomes and helps detect fraud, respectively. The future of data science is promising, with trends like AI integration and increased automation. These advancements will shape how we analyze and utilize data. Clive Humby's quote, "Data is the new oil," highlights the immense value of data in today's economy. It signifies the importance of harnessing data for competitive advantage. In summary, understanding data science and the characteristics of big data is crucial. These concepts are foundational for effective data analysis and decision-making. As you continue your journey, explore more advanced topics in data science. Hands-on practice will help solidify your understanding and application of these concepts. Thank you for participating in this lesson on data science and big data. We look forward to seeing you in the next lesson as we delve deeper into data mining techniques.